What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good morning so far. And welcome to a new video on Solana. All right, wanted to do an update here because, well, we reached all our price targets, and my opinion on Solana has slightly changed. All right, not completely, but because what I said yesterday, if you remember correctly, the price was down here at 153, I believe, in the morning. And what I said is that, all right, I think it's most likely we'll rally up to the top of this major resistance level at 160, but I don't think we'll break above that level. Is what I said, all right? So far I've been correct because we haven't broken above that. But honestly, I am shifting a little bit more bullish on Solana. And the reason for that is that I do think the regulatory circumstances for crypto have a high likelihood to improve, especially in the US, in the next in the following years, right? I think the probability of that is actually quite high. And then we're talking about the ETFs, and obviously we have news around the Ethereum ETF probably coming out later this week. And I think that there is a chance to start some sort of a narrative for Solana as well. All right, so obviously, I mean, if there is a real Solana ETF narrative, I know we've had some filings already right now, but I think those are more publicity stunts than real filings. But if we really do get some sort of a narrative like that, like the TVL for Solana right now already is doing very good. TVL is above $10.6 billion again. If you go to the biggest chains, it has already, like, it has also solidified itself as the #2 chain. Like, I think fundamentally Solana is getting more and more interesting for whales, institutions, businesses, whatever. Right, and it's also the only, well, not the only, you also have Ton and Near that are being used to a certain extent. But it's by far the biggest alternative to EVM chains as a layer 1 blockchain, all right? And so EVM chains is Ethereum and everything around that. So purely fundamentally, I actually do think that we can get a breakout above 160. And that's relevant because that's the main resistance level. As you can see, that we would really need to break above to start to rally up to 172, 185, and 200 ultimately. All right, so that's what we want to see. Now, do I think that at this point of time we have enough confirmation to break above that? No. All right, so I would not, whether that's a mistake or not, I'm not sure, because so far technically we've also been holding the 236 fib here very well. All right, so we might as well just break above that level right now. But for me, there's not enough confirmation. All right, momentum has also dropped down a bit here. Bitcoin looks to me like we will pull back a little bit lower. So for now, I'm going to stick with my analysis and tell you that we will not break out, at least not after having seen a little bit of a bigger pullback, something like this. So this is still what I think is most likely. But I do think, like, shorting this or longing this, it's still much better to long Solana than to short this at this point, all right? Because the technicals are still bullish. I think the fundamentals are bullish. It's just, for me, I could not really justify longing it right now, all right? Because then your obvious first resistance level is 160, and the risk reward you would be taking on then is just not amazing, all right? But ultimately, fundamentally, I'm bullish on Solana, but I would wait for 162 and 160 to break. After that, we can actually have a very big rally, all right? But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.